Hi there, this is Christy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to um, edit your video to make it unique for YouTube. So we're going to take it one step at a time. So the first thing I want you to do is click on the link for this Canva template, and it will be below this video. It will bring you inside of canva.com. If you don't have an account for canva.com, just create a new account. It's free. And then go back and click on that link, and it will open this up, something that looks like this. Now, to make sure that each video is a little bit different, because if you upload a video that's exactly like another video, it will be rejected by YouTube. So what we're going to do is each time you're going to change just a little bit, a screen or two, and I'll show you what to do. Also, remember to, although we've got music in here, I'm going to take this music out because, well, actually that's static. That's not music. Okay, we'll just double check on that. You don't want any music from Canva because YouTube lights its own music. Okay, so let's go. First of all, you can just, each of these little boxes are screens. Okay, and let's do this just so you won't be nervous about changing anything. Go up here to File, and you can do Make a Copy. So whatever you do in this one, you can always go back right here. Look, I'll show you. Your original copy will be saved, original dog video. Okay, but we can work with a copy so that, you know, if we don't like the changes we made, you always have your original. Okay, so there you go. So first, make a copy. Okay, so I know this looks really confusing, but you don't have to do hardly anything. It's all been done for you. So you're going to just take a deep breath, and we're going to go through each of these right here. This is, you know, keep that the same, keep this the same. And you can literally just, whoops, okay, I'm sorry. You can keep these the same. What we want to do is change it. For example, let's do this little grid view right here. That's easier to see. What I want to do to make this a unique video, so every time you and others upload a video, it will be completely a new one in the eyes of YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to just move. I'm going to take that. All right, I think it goes better if you go to the right. Yeah. So instead of moving from left to right, do right to left. So let's do that again. We're just going to move this around and rearrange these slides a little bit. Okay. And we're going to move this one around a little bit. Okay, so this is completely different from the first one. Now, what I want you to do here is click on this last screen, and depending on which keyword you're going to want this to show up for in YouTube, we're going to change this a little bit. Now, I have done the keyword research for you, and remember, everybody's is going to be just a little bit different, okay? So don't worry. This one is how to potty train a dachshund. I did some keyword research. The green means it's really, really, this is a great word to go after because there's not a whole lot of competition. And according to Google, 350 people every month look for how to potty train a dachshund. So let's go in here, and we're going to say, need a helpful guide, free guide for how to potty train. And I'm going to put right here, your dachshund. Okay. And then I want you to make sure that this this is unique to each person doing this, so everybody's not the same. I want you to just put like, let's see, to your doggy success, and then you can put your name or just a fictional name. I'm going to put Christy. I'm going to put my real name. So if you put your name here, it's definitely unique. Okay, yours is not going to be exactly the same as someone else's. Okay, so also you can do this. You can make little changes like this. You can, okay, let's go back to right here. You see this little plus sign? You can actually add a page, and I want you to do something unique. And I'm not going to say what it is because then everyone might do the same thing. But what you can do is go over here to elements, and let's see. I want you to use something that I've uploaded, because unless you have a Canva Pro account, which costs $12.95 a month, these images, a lot of them you will have to pay for. I've paid for these from a different website. So I want you to just, you can choose any of these. And if you don't see these, I'm not sure if you will see these in your account. Actually, you don't have to do that. You could actually do this. Let's see. Well, let's go back to this. So if, yeah, just to be safe, because Canva's licenses sometimes change, I want you to go to Creative Fabrica, and you can actually join this site for $1, and then it's a monthly fee. If you don't want to join this site, but see this, they have just adorable graphics that you can use. Puppy. But I'll show you a free site as well. See, look at all these. Adorable. Spring teddy bear. Anyway, I'll put my affiliate link below. If you don't want to join this site, you don't have to. But this is where I get my my images from. Dog pictures. And since the dog niche has been, you know, really good to me, I love this site. But again, you don't have to. See, here's watercolor dachshunds. Cute, right? Okay, you can also go to what's a free site where I started, pixabay.com, and just put in puppy. Well, actually, we're going to need a dachshund puppy for this video. Okay, so the ones at the top that say sponsored, they're all paid and they're really expensive. So I've actually used this one before. So all of these are free. Okay, they're free to use. So this one I have used before. It's really cute. It's free to use. You just download that. You can donate if you like. Then go back to Canva. And right here where it says uploads, you want to upload file. And mine's over here. So I'm going to pull it over here, just in this section, and you'll see that it is loading here. And I'm just going to drag it over there, and then I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to drag this sweet puppy over here. And that way, that ensures that if we all do a different picture or you mix them up any way you like, it's just like, you know, shaking the dice. Mix them up, go to this grid again to see it all, and you can mix up all of these, it doesn't matter, and then you're done. Okay, so to see what it's going to look like, and again, make sure you don't add any of Canva's music because YouTube will reject it. Okay, so it's actually called a copyright strike, and you don't want that on your channel. And if it happens, it's not the end of the world. You just don't want a lot of them. It's like getting a ticket on your, you get a certain amount of points. So you don't want to do that on YouTube. So first of all, use the free Canva, change up the images, go to either Creative Fabrica and start a subscription, or go to this free website and download free images just to add right here. Upload the file, pop it in there. After you do a little add screen, remember you go in between the slides and find that plus sign, and you can add a page anywhere you like. And then, say for example, you go, oh, I don't want a page there. Click on those three little dots and just delete the page. Or, here's another way to delete. Watch this. So you go add page. Oops. Add page. And you go, uh-oh, I don't want to do that. I'm going to undo it. There you go. So it's sort of like an eraser. All right, so we're going to click on this to see what we've got. And I'm going to go back and take out this music. Although I love it. I'm dancing in my office chair. Here's my name. There's the keyword. There's our free image. All right, so there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. Now you don't have to worry about this because your template should not have music on it. If it does, you'll be able to see it. Okay, let's see. Yours shouldn't have it on there. I'm going to pause this video so I can delete that. Okay, so what we're going to do is go up here to share, download, make sure it says MP4 video because there's your other choices. So make sure it says MP4 video, make sure it says all the pages, and you'll be like, how many pages is it? It's 15. Okay, so share, download MP4 video, all the pages, download, and then it's going to download on your computer. And since this video is getting long, I'll see you in the next one.